What's up, guys? MMC Life Minecraft, and you cannot believe this. My dad got me 2 Lego Sonic the Hedgehog sets. So I'm gonna build this today. And I got it from Smith, so that's 2 Lego sets. So we're gonna pan around and see what it looks like. Thanks, man! Right, guys. Today is August the 4th, and it's Friday. So, let's have a look at the new Lego sets that today are Sonic the Hedgehog. So it's Lego Sonic the Hedgehog sets. So, we're gonna do that maybe in the next video or something. So now, let's start off with this. Set number 76990. And how many pieces there are? So you can see the pictures right there. Pretty cool. And you get Sonic and Motorbike. So let's open this. Come on! I know. Ah! Come on! Yeah, look out. Watch this, watch this. Bag number 1. Look at all the pieces, man. And all that piece, it's like a ramp. So
that's a ramp, yeah,
for the ball.
Yeah.
And you go.
Show me when you're finished, okay?
Okay.
Cool.
So you also get this little book. So let's start off with. Actually, I think I might keep the box. Anyways, let's get started. The build! It's time for the building time! So I'm opening the book. Right, guys. Bag number 1, bag number 2, and bag number 3. So, first number 1, you get Sonic. So this is bag number 1. Let's do this! And I really like that thing. Like, just like in the video game. That's it. Right. Let's get started. The first thing that we're gonna do is build Sonic. Right, guys, look at that. Sonic. Pretty cool. And you get this little bluebird. After when you destroy the robots, you get little animals. It's pretty cute. Right. So we got that. Now we're gonna move on to the ball. So you get 2 of these. I've never seen these pieces from Lego. So look at that. Watch this. So you do that, and then wait, how am I gonna do this? Put Sonic in. What is going on with these pieces? Oh, it's actually 2 pieces. What you do is you put Sonic inside. I know it's, and then close it like this. What is going on with these pieces? Right. Look at that, guys! He's spinning like a ball. Look at him. That's pretty cool. I've never seen that piece before. You can also spin him around, which is pretty cool. Watch this, look. That's what he does like in a video game. And if you want to have, you can do that instead, or you could just take him out with this little thing. That's pretty cool. Right. We are going to build the launcher. So the only thing to build that, you need Technic pieces. This is like Lego Technic. So I've been recording this for 5 minutes and 7 seconds. So let's put all the pieces together. I'm copying it off the book. Anyways, if you want to, make sure you don't make sure you please subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the bell and hit the like button don't miss out my future videos, guys. Don't miss out my other videos. Right, so we're just putting the pieces in. Please subscribe, because if you don't, I'm gonna smash the camera with the pickaxe on Minecraft. Right, so now we're just putting the pieces in together. I think it's one of these blue and red things that you put on together. Come on, pieces. Ah. What is going on? This is really annoying. I kept putting the pieces and it's not even... Seriously, the pieces. It's annoying me. Right, there we go. Now we need to do on the other side. But for now, we need one of these red peats. And we need... Hold on, let me just focus here. I think it's one of these things with the little ball on. Right. So now I'm just gonna put that there. Then we need to do this two times, so it's mirrored. We need to do mirror like this. It's like a triangle. You know what I mean? It's like this. You know what I mean? Oh, not like that. Right. So this might take a few minutes to build a launcher. It's like Angry Birds. Angry Birds did Lego about, I think it was 7 years ago that Lego did Angry Birds. So I haven't made a video of that, because that was 7 years ago. But now we're doing Sonic. Lego Sonic the Hedgehog. Right. So two Lego pens, two Lego pen. Wait, what? Finish instructions telling me. One of these. Okay. So, where's the... Oh, there's it. Sorry, I forgot. Number 2. Okay, number 3. Number 3. And number 4. Okay, number 4. So that goes right there. Come on. Come on, Lego pieces. There we go. Right. Now we need something that's a bit similar. This could get pretty difficult. You know what I mean? Right, so now we're just putting the pieces together. Now we need a white bit. You need 2 of these. We need to make a mirror image. Right, now we need 2 blue pieces. See that rubber bits? You get the little my neck. I think my neck is tired from leaning down, which is pretty annoying. Right. So it goes right there. This might take a few minutes. Right, what do we need? We need 2 grey pieces. And then, come on. I'm not very good at technique. Well, I am pretty good at technique, but it's really hard to make a puzzle with the pieces. Come on. There. Right. Now we need 2 little pieces. One big, like, I don't know what you call this. One grey piece, guy. Right. Wait, what? Where does it? Oh, it shows you right now on the book. Then we need to like that, and then put this on. Where does it show? Where does it show you? Wait, what? Hold on. I'm trying to get this right. Okay, my bad. Okay, let's see if I can get this right. Okay, so now we need one of these, but this time it's gonna be backwards. Wait, what? What's happening? We have to do this backwards this time. Where does it show you? This is really confusing. This is really confusing, guys. Right. Focus on the pieces. Let's see if I got that. Right, this is what it's supposed to look like. And then we need to do this on the other side. Oh, two Lego pieces. 2 little blue bits. And you need to place the little black bits on the top. Come on. What is going on with these pieces? Come on. My finger. Get in the holes, man. Get in the holes. Come on. Really? Come on. Get in the holes. There we go. Don't know what to say. Right. 2 black pieces. Then you get this little piece, which is really cool. So you plug. Which way is it? Which way? I think it's that way. Oh, wait, did I do? Oh, I did it wrong. I did it backwards. Ow. It's really hard to take it off and it's sore when you do that. Ow. Right, I think I've done it backwards, I guess. That was weird. No. Come on. Come on, get in there. Right, you know what? Ah. Come on, connect the holes. Connect. Ah. Oh, not again. Not again. Ah. Right, where does it show you? Finally! Finally we got it, guys. Finally. Just like that, you just put your fist in there like that. So now that goes. Where does it go? Where does it go? I'm trying to focus here. Okay, that goes right there. Then we need to do this bit on the other side. And then wait, am I getting it right? Oh wait, two Lego bits, okay. Right, where does it show you at? How many bits do I need? How many bits? This is weird, guy. Oh, I didn't see that, so now I need to put that in. Did you hear that? That clicking sound. Right. So we are halfway there. So now we need to put some more details into it. Okay, so we got the last bit going on, guys. This is the last bit. So where did I place that? This is one more Lego piece. And then get the little ramp here. And then carefully just that. Look at that. Now you can put your wait a minute. Put that in there. Close it. Right. Now let me show you what this thing does. Check it out. Put the bowl. Check this out, guys. Watch this. Look at that. That is really well done. Hold on a sec. No. Look at this. It's a launcher. show you. Check this out. It's solid. Solid inside this ball. Oh. What just what? Take it out. Just take it in. Right. Look at that. How three colors blow like a ball now. Yeah. How cool is that? Now, how cool is that? It is inside a little ball. Right, I'm back. Right, I'm back. So, check this out. He rolls into a ball, just like in the video game. So now he's inside this little ball thing, which is really cool. I really like that. That's really well done. Let me show you what it looks like from the book. So now we're at number 18, and now this is exactly what it looks like. So now we're at number... Oh, we're doing the... I think it's a mo... Two of these black bits. Then put... Where does it go? Oh, my bad. I think I got it wrong. Right, where does it show here? And now the other side. Put that little thing, put the little grey flat square inside. Wait, what? Oh, come on. Right, there we go. Now it's time to do the face. Put the little thing. I'm pretty good at Lego. Little bits for the antenna. This is the multi-bug things. No! Come on! Why is it doing that to me? Always ruining it. I keep ruining it and ruining it. Come on. Right. Sorry. Now, time to put the little bits. Dad! Dad!
Yeah?
Look at that.
Does it?
Check out this guy.
Is it the motorbug?
Yeah.
Does the thing go inside it?
What, this thing? Yeah.
Cool.
Check that guy out.
Very cool.
See that, guys? Look at that.
Cool, man.
Now we're finished with that. We don't need little bits, pieces. Okay, bag number 2. Get over there. Check out that new ring piece. Very cool. It comes with a Chaos Emerald. A Chaos Emerald. So now we're gonna see that clear bits, the dishes, the clear dish bit. We're gonna put the rings just like in the game. So it's like this. You get 3 of these clear bits so you can put the rings on it instead of the flat rings. But I prefer the rings that stands up. That's pretty cool. Right, we're gonna do green for the grass, like greenhouse zone. We are gonna build these little blocks that Sonic breaks. He destroys the bricks with spikes. So, we need a little bit of work. Right. And another one. Ooh, that's a lot of pieces. That's a lot of pieces. That is a lot of pieces. Right. One of these. And something like that. And you need to place the little square with the hole on it. So you need one of these and one of these. Connect them together. So now you have like a ramp. Come on. Right, so this ramp, Sonic is gonna go all the way to the ramp and breaks the bricks. Yeah. Ooh, you might need to put some. I've never seen these bits. Oh, can't get the words out. The rubber bits. Yeah, the rubber bits to make it stand up. Okay, 2 more times. Wait, what? Wait a minute. Wait just a minute. Oh, sorry. Right. Plug this in to here. This is what it looks like. And then putting we're making like little baby blocks like this, baby blocks. Oh, that goes right there. Like that. Oh, 2 times. Okay. There. And one more for the Chaos Emerald. Let's put the Chaos Emerald. Here, your Chaos Emerald is done. Now, we are moving on to another bit. We're on number 13, and now we're on number 14 to 15 page. It's been like 30 minutes. I've been recording this for a long time now. Right. Oh, I already placed that there, so I don't need that. Wait, what? Okay. So, oh, we're making like an archway or something. Okay, so I need to do this 2 more times. Ow. We're gonna do this 2 more times. Just like that. But you see that, guys? Then what you do is connect them together and then put the brown bit on it. Put the brown bit on it. Right. 2 little bricks. Two of these and 2 of these ones. Then you need to do this pattern. Lime green, lime green,